How to cook yellow zucchini. Yellow zucchini, also called summer squash, is a type of squash with edible seeds and rind that is, as the name indicates, a summer crop. Yellow zucchini can be roasted, grilled, stir-fried and stuffed, then baked, but the easiest and most healthful way to enjoy yellow zucchini is to steam it. Things you will need: cloth towel, steamer basket, pot, knife, cutting board, water, fork, salt, pepper, butter or olive oil, tongs or oven mitt. Step 1. Rinse the summer squash. Pat dry with cloth towel, then cut into 1/4 inch rounds, discarding the top and bottom. Step 2. Place zucchini rounds in your steamer basket. Step 3. Fill a pot with 2 inches of water and bring to a boil. Place the steamer basket inside the pot and cook uncovered and on medium heat for 5 minutes. Step 4. Test the yellow zucchini by piercing it with a fork. If the fork slides tenderly into the zucchini round, it is done. If the zucchini is hard, steam an additional 2 to 3 minutes or until it feels tender. Step 5. Carefully remove the steamer basket from the pot using tongs or an oven mitt. Toss the zucchini with butter or olive oil and season with salt and pepper to your taste.